Hey guys, I'm Kari.
Are you gonna do that to your face the whole time?
Well, yeah, I can't see.
Well, all you gotta do is just squint.
I'm Kari.
I'm Mark.
Welcome to our channel, The Art of RVing.
Yes.
If you are not subscribed, please do so. Oh, it's bright. Please hit the like button.
Yes.
And
I'm not talking.
anyway, Mark found another RV he wants to show you guys.
Yeah,
So
it's gonna be awesome, and we're on Instagram.
oh yeah, stay tuned.
Here we go. Okay, so here we go. It's a Wilderness by Fleetwood in 1983. And there's the front of it. And as I come around the side, the first thing that hit me is it's like a 21 footer, maybe, and it has 2 doors. Yeah, and it's tandem axle at that. So I found that interesting. I guess we'll find out why in just a second. And I love this original wheel. So this was something else that interests me here. I noticed when I was looking at it that the window is over to the left-hand side, so it's not centered, and I was wondering why that is. So I guess we'll find out. It looks like these are still intact. Anybody that needs parts for this, you're good to go. Texas sticker, you know it. I love this green paint scheme. It's so awesome. Oh yeah, and of course duct tape for anything in Texas that needs to be fixed. You're gonna have your duct tape. And down the other side, it's gonna have these windows. That might be the bathroom where you can't see through them. And then check out these original, look who I got. Hey, sweet dog. I got 2 sweet dogs here. I got 2 sweet dogs. Check out the original hubcaps. The green paint, oh, it's fantastic. It matches the green paint here. May have had a little hiccup there. Alright, so here we go in. Check out that original tile. It's so beautiful. Looks like this is going to be your dinette here. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, and this folds down because there's the latch for it. And this is going to fold down into another sleeping area. Pretty cool. There's a lot of storage in there. Original valance material. I'm sure curtains. Big window in the front. Look at those curtains. I've seen better days there. Your valance. And then you got your kitchen over here. You got your, oh, and the continuing saga of the cool wallpaper. I really love that wallpaper with the flowers on it. That's fun. Look at that. It's got a shelf up there. How smart is that? Double sink there. There's your storage cabinets. Interesting trailer because it's so small, but it has a complete separate bedroom in it and a complete separate bathroom in it. Oh my gosh, it does have a microwave. 4-burner stove. Check out that wallpaper. You need a coconut? And then down here, this one's gonna have the original knobs that are on it. Magic Chef. And then the cooktop. Onto the bathroom here. Looks like you get yourself a mirror. Look how cool it is that it's rounded at the top and bottom. That's fun. Let's look in here. Oh, look at that. It's got a little storage area inside the door. Handy. Oh, it had an original fan in it. How cool is that? Shower head. Look at that tub. It's a pretty big tub. It's got a separate shower tub for a 20-footer. Sink with a curtain. Whoa, man, that's dusty. Off to the side. And place the toilet paper in there. Another storage there. And the toilet. And you get yourself a medicine cabinet here. And now we're headed back to the back. So we've got a partition here. And that's why the windows are over to one side right there. Because there's a big, I call them schifferrobe mold cabinet there. Man, it's huge storage in this thing. I mean, gigantic storage. And the curtains, more storage, another vent, and check out this bed. Man, be careful right there. You might fall through it. It looks like another place here to get ready. Some more storage. Original linoleum. Turn back around, one last view. Incredible. Back in the day, this was it. Love it.